Hello, myself Dr. Deepak Shirbhate. I am working as a principal of Vikramshila Polytechnic, Darapur, Taluka Daryapur, District Amravati, Maharashtra State of India. And today I am going to demonstrate you how to create virtual reality modeling language solar system using Vivati Studio. So in the preview or uh, in the small box, you can see the output of the solar system that I have created with VRML. So let us start with the exercise. Now in the solar system there will be planets and sun. These are the relative position, means x, y, z coordinates of the sun and the planets, and their sizes compared to each other. So this is the table that I am going to follow in the entire exercise. And let us start with this. So you have to refer this table when you are creating the models. So we will start with Vivati Studio. First of all, you start with the Scratch file. There is already one default group. You can rename this group as, say, solar system. In the capital, I will rename this group as solar system. Okay, and we will start with creation of sun. Now it will be placed at absolute 0, 0, 0 coordinates, and its size relative to other planets will be 9 times more, or reference with a reference to earth it will be 9 times more. So this will be called as, this sphere will be called as sun, and it is placed at absolute 0, 0 coordinate. Now I have already downloaded the texture map for various planets from the internet. You can also similarly download whatever the texture map are required. They are absolutely available on many websites, because now the textures are very easily available on all the internet website. Just I'm looking for the, I think I have forgotten to download the texture of sun. These are the stars. I have already downloaded that stars. So just now I have downloaded, and here the website is. Okay, this website I have recently visited to download the texture. It is solarsystemscope.com, and this is the texture. It is available in 2K and 8K resolution. High resolution texture is available. Yeah, this is the texture in high resolution. Just save this image as 2K sun.jpg. That's it. Now you can apply this texture to this sphere. This sphere will be representing the sun, around which all the planets will be revolving. Okay, so this is the planet sun. You can see that the texture is getting reflected. Okay, so let us start with creation of the other planets. Now next will be Mercury. Now Mercury will be in size relative to Earth, it will be 0.38. So it is a small planet as compared to Earth, and initially it will be placed at 0, 0, 0, and then we will give the appropriate coordinates on x 10, y 0, and on z 7. So it is close to the sun, and let us apply the texture of Mercury. Yeah, here it is. So texture of Mercury has been applied, so that completes the creation of Mercury. Let us create now the next Let us create now the next. This is the Mercury, texture of Mercury. So it is appropriate texture. Let us create the next planet. The next planet will be Venus. The scale will be 0.9. It is of equal size as that of Earth. Small difference is there, but of course it is close to the Sun. 18 on X, minus 2 on Y, 7 on Z. Let us apply the texture. Venus, yes, here it is. So that completes the creation of planet Venus. Now we will move to next planet. That will be our mother Earth. The scale will be 1 with reference to actually Earth. All the planets have been measured. The size of the planet is measured with reference to the Earth. And I'm looking for the texture of Earth. Here it is. This very beautiful planet, as we know. And it is only the planet having life. That completes the creation of Earth. And then there is next planet. This will be Mars, the planet of our interest. And the scale will be 0.54. Of course, you have to check the uniform checkbox, uniform option, and prior to placing the Mars at appropriate position, bring it to absolute 0, 0, 0, and then give the appropriate coordinates. That will decide the exact and accurate position of the Mars relative to Sun. 22, 1.5 and minus 25 on. Let us apply the texture. All the texture have been saved in the folder solar system. This is Mars. We call it as the red planet also. So that completes the creation of Mars. Let us move to the next planet. Next planet of the solar system will be Jupiter, the giant planet. Scale will be, I think it is 5 times bigger in size. These are the appropriate scale. I have not followed the strict scale. Here just I want to demonstrate how we can create the solar system with the help of Vivity Studio. So this is just a demonstration, not the accurate measurement. I am not claiming also that I have accurately measured and accurately creating everything. Let us apply the texture of Jupiter. Yes, that completes the creation of Jupiter. And we will be moving to next planet. Immediately you can see the effect in different views. Next planet will be Saturn. Now here the ring of the Saturn was not created. That is the problem. So you have to create it separately and then you can apply the ring. I have already downloaded the texture for the Saturn ring, but it was not created. But of course, you can create it. That is not the big thing. Or best way is that you can import the model of the Saturn and place it at appropriate position. That will also work, and apply the texture of Saturn. Yes, it has been applied now. Then there will be next planet, and that planet will be called as Uranus. Then scaling factor needs to be applied. Uranus is twice the as compared to the size of Earth. I'm following actually the table which I have shown at the start of this exercise. I'm strictly following that table. Now there may be some errors, but that is not important actually. Here we just want to have the graphical representation, not the accurate representation. And here our primary objective is to demonstrate the procedure of creation of the solar system. So accuracy is not the relevant thing. Uranus is a very cold type of planet, far away from the sun. And let us complete this solar system with creation of Neptune. Its size scale as compared to Earth is 1.5. Bring it to absolute 0, 0, 0, and then give the appropriate coordinates of x, y, and z, x0, y0, and z90. And Neptune, it's a blue type of planet. So that completes the creation of the entire solar system. Now the next thing will be animation. So go to the animation, generate animation. Here there will be moving camera. The distance will be 150 and time period will be 20 seconds, and it will have the full circle. So here I have created this group. You delete the last time sensor in the group, then create background. The background will be mapped along all these 6 faces: front, right, top, left, back. I have already downloaded this particular background, and it will be applied to front, right, top, back, left, bottom. Everywhere you apply the same background, so that in any direction you rotate, you will not see that you're not in a space. Everywhere you should see the stars and black sky. Of course, the sky will not be blue, it will be black sky or blackish type of sky. The sky appears blue from the earth, not from the solar system, not outside from this earth. And now you can see that this is the final output. You can see all the planets. Of course, some planets are very small, like say Earth, Venus, and Mercury. Now just export the file with uh, appropriate name. So this completes the VRML export of the file. Now it is inside the solar system. Here, this is the file. Now if it is not taking the texture, what you can do is that you can move the file to some, say, root folder. It will automatically take the texture. Okay, rest of the things are fine. Only the texture is missing, that we will sort it out. So we will see the texture from here. This is a quick preview available in the Vivat Studio, and here you can see the texture. Texture is getting slowly applied to all the planets because the texture files are quite bulky files. So it will take some time to load all the files. And this is a bounded box from all the sides, from all the 6 sides. And this is how we can see all the planets. The star size is actually quite bigger. You can avoid a bigger size of the star by using the texture which is having a small size of the stars, so that we can focus more on the solar system, not on the revolving stars. Okay. So here our actually camera is moving, the planets are not moving, they are steady. Our camera is moving and it is taking a full circle around all the planets. So here we have demonstrated the camera movement. Now, as I have suggested in many videos, that you can download the 3D models of the objects from 3D websites. Many websites supplies good quality of 3D models. So same I have tried with this solar system. I have downloaded one 3D model, but that was very bulky, and if the model is too bulky, then it will take a lot of time to load into Vivat Studio, and many times if it goes beyond the capacity of Vivat Studio, then you will get the error message. So same thing happened with this ready-made model, and that's why I will suggest that for creating the solar system, you don't go for the ready-made model. That is the problem with the ready-made model. So I have downloaded and experimented with the ready-made model. You can see that it is more than 500 MB. The size is 549 MB. So it is nearly half GB of size, and it will take a lot of time for loading the model, not only in player but also in Vivat Studio. In player, of course, it gets loaded, but after a very long time. It takes a very long time because it requires rendering, and the model might have been created with high polyline objects which are quite bulky, and that's why the model itself is very bulky. Otherwise, there is no reason that why it is so bulky. So you can see that the player has not yet loaded the model. So it itself shows that it is quite bulky. Now you get the model loaded into your player. Now you can examine the model and you can have the different views of this model. So this is the ready-made model, and in the ready-made model you can see the Saturn with the ring, which was required, which is absent in our solar system. So this we can do with the ready-made model, but the problem is that This model cannot be edited because it is very bulky, and when we try to edit it, the Vivity Studio will display the error message that it is out of memory, so it cannot be edited. That is the problem. So you can take the different views of this model. So we can, in short, we can say that this has been failed is in this particular say solar system. The methodology of downloading the model from the internet and applying texture and saving the modeling time will not work, because the model itself is very bulky, and I haven't found any less bulky model. Of course, if you get less bulky model, then you can omit the steps that we have carried out in creation of the solar system, like say creating the spheres of different sizes and applying the scale size and xyz coordinates. The entire can be omitted, the entire exercise can be omitted, and we can directly apply the texture and we can create the animated view. So this is the problem, and the problem itself is visible in the size is too high, 549. It is nearly half GB size. So I will not suggest that you should go for downloading the model or ready-made model from the internet. And when you try to import such type of models, solar system, this is a ready-made model, because our file that we have created recently, it is in capital letters, this is in small letters. There is no confusion that this is the downloaded model, and from the size itself we can see that this is a downloaded model, and you can see that it is still reading the file, and ultimately it will hang and it will show that it is out of memory. It cannot load the entire model, and therefore the model is not available for editing, and you cannot do any kind of editing. Like say here the editing means we will be applying the texture maps and we will be creating animated camera view. That is the only editing, and you can see that it is out of memory, it is of no use. So that's why here I have avoided this particular ready-made model, and I have followed the conventional method of creating the solar system. So it itself explain why the solar system was created with the conventional method. The ready-made model will not work in this particular case. So conventional method will be more preferable. So the problem with this ready-made model from the internet. Okay. So thanks for watching the video. In case of any query or clarification, feel free to contact me on this contact details, and you can download the free code which is available in the description, and in the comments there are some more links on the tutorials based on Vivity Studio. Thank you.